day we feel so much happy, sleepy, loved and such. How do you feel today? When I'm happy I clap my hands, smiling big across the lands. When I'm sleepy I close my eyes, yawning soft like evening skies. When I'm excited I jump up high, wiggling like a butterfly. Happy, sleepy, excited too. Every feeling is okay for you. Rexi feels them, so do you. In Sunny Hollow our feelings are true. When I'm sad I might shed a tear, but a hug from a friend brings cheer. When I feel loved I feel so warm, safe and cozy through any storm. How do you feel? It's okay, every feeling finds its way. Happy, sleepy, excited too. Every feeling is okay for you. Rexi feels them, so do you.